Hello, how
Hi,
you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Awesome. So tell the people what you hear about us.
Okay, so I'm a regular person using Island Shipper. This isn't the first or the second, and I must say they are a reliable company. And they don't take long to give you your package. You get it once it arrives on the island. Their delivery is fine, very fast and such, and they give you prizes and all those stuff. So recommend you to use them. You won't be disappointed.
Awesome. And also on the package, talking about prizes, there is another free coupon for you to give somebody. Just put your mail address on it and they'll be able to ship with us and get a free £5 to offset their payments going forward. Alright?
All right.
Alright, and also on the website for other promotions, you can go down to the very bottom of the page. On the left hand side, click on promotions. You'll see all the promotions that we have going on.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Same to you.